So we just added and deleted records from a tables data sheet. And now we are going to be adding and deleting records in a form. So we are going to go ahead and open up the US distributor form. So I just double clicked on it to open it. And it's very important if you're going to add a record that you don't see any data there, because you type over the top of existing data, you are changing a record, you are not adding a record. So we're going to come down here and click on the new record button so we get a blank one. And remember that very first field is an auto-generated field, so we don't have to type anything there. All we have to do is press tab. And then we're going to go ahead and fill the rest of this in. And the street address. And we do not have a second one, so I'm just going to tab past that. And then once you get to the bottom, we are going to do a second record. So you're going to press tab. That takes us to the top of a new one. Going to tab past the distributor ID and go ahead and key in the company name. There is no second street address. And at this point, they want us to click the first record button. Okay. And if we click the last record button, we should see the one we just added. Okay. So go back to the first record. And they want us to be in the very first field in the company name column. And then they would like us to click on the Find button. And they want us to find a record with the company name of Victory Cinemas. So let's go ahead and key that in. So we've got Victory Cinemas, current document is correct, any part of field is correct, all match case, all of those look good, so we're going to click on Find Next. And we did find the Victory Cinema record. So let's cancel out of the Find and Replace. And they actually want us to delete this record. So we're going to go ahead and click on Delete Record. Whoop. Let me click over here. And now we'll do Delete Record. Make sure you click over there. And are you sure you want to delete it? Yes. Okay, so that one is now gone. Okay, that was distributor 16, and if we go back, we go 15 to 17, so we no longer have 16 there. And they want us to close the form, and then take a look at the US distributor table. And you should notice the two new records there because it's one table. The data sheet for the table is one way of viewing information and the form is another, but it's the same table. So you'll notice that record 16 is missing because we deleted it and we added 2 additional records. So let's go ahead and close this and move on to our next activity.